Hello and welcome to bOnline. In just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to make and receive calls with ease. Let's jump right in and set you up for success. First up, setting your business hours. Click Edit Business Hours and select your operating days and hours. It's quick and flexible, you can choose from preset options or customize your own, even adding breaks as needed. Now, let's personalize your phone system with a welcome greeting for your callers. Toggle on Welcome Greeting and choose to type, record, or upload your message. Name your greeting for easy future access, and don't forget to hit play to preview it before saving. For after hours, set up a closed greeting by following the same steps. This ensures that your callers are well informed even when you're not available. Congratulations! You've just set up a basic call flow. Next, let's add users to your account. Head to the Users and Devices page and click Add New User. It's straightforward. Set up their profiles and they're ready. Don't forget to download our bOnline phone apps for desktop and mobile. Simply click on the store links or scan the QR codes provided to start making calls from anywhere. Want to change your number? No worries. Click Change Number from the home page and select from thousands of options by town, postcode, or area code before you upgrade. Also, we have 10,000 UK numbers to choose from, so if you don't see one you like, or want a memorable one, speak with our team. We can also discuss the options for transferring any existing numbers you might have to bOnline as well. Ready to keep the conversation going? Upgrade your trial account by clicking Upgrade and entering your direct debit details. It's a smooth transition to more powerful tools and uninterrupted service. You're now part of the 50,000 small business heroes thriving with bOnline's easy, reliable, and fairly priced VoIP solutions. Remember, our award-winning support team is just a click or call away if you need any help.